what's up guys, Cookwithlev here. We're gonna make birria today and I'm gonna be using beef instead of goat meat. This is a very traditional Mexican dish, so we're gonna make tacos and stew. So let's start cooking. I got a lot of ingredients that I'm gonna be using. We're gonna make sauce and stir fry our beef first, so follow me through. It's a long process. Alright, so let me go ahead and walk you through the ingredients that I'm going to be using today. And I'm going to be using wine for my birria. And of course, we're going to use beef instead of goat meat. I got beautiful chalk roast meat over here. We're going to stir fry this first. And then we're going to use all the ingredients to make the sauce. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Our birria is ready. We made tacos stew. Came out amazing. Give it a try. You won't be disappointed. And don't forget to follow the channel. Don't miss out on upcoming videos. Cheers guys.